Equipment cleaning and assembly. 1. Cleaning demonstration. Discharge residual material. After using the machine, first place a flat tray on the tray, then click the Start button to allow the machine to empty the material in the gearbox as completely as possible. After the discharge is complete, click the Stop button to stop the machine. Disassembly demonstration. Note: always turn off the power before disassembling to ensure that disassembly is performed under power-off conditions. Hopper. Remove the 8 screws on the front and rear sides to detach the hopper, and put the hopper aside. Remove the gearbox completely. First, unscrew the 4 screws at the bottom of the gearbox. Then unscrew one of the screws on the side of the gearbox. Then remove the gearbox completely. Clean the disassembled gearbox and hopper in a water tank. Further disassemble and clean the gearbox components. Multi-head mode cleaning. Driven gear cleaning. Drive gear cleaning. Gearbox cover cleaning. Gearbox cleaning. Hopper cleaning. After washing, let it air dry in a ventilated place or wipe it dry. 2. Assembly demonstration. First, place the gearbox on the machine's positioning guide rail and slowly push it in, leaving some space. Do not push it in completely. Then insert the driving gear into the gearbox. Note: at this point, pay attention to the connection method. Between the drive gear shaft and the motor, the two are connected through a D-shaped shaft and a D-shaped hole. After the drive gear is inserted into the gearbox, align the drive gear D-shaped shaft and the motor D-shaped hole by turning the gear, and slowly insert. Then slowly insert the driven gear into the gearbox. Then fasten the cover plate onto the gearbox. Tighten the hand screws to secure the cover plate. Then tighten the gearbox mounting screws to secure the gearbox. Note: there are 5 gearbox locking screws, 1 short and 4 long. The short screw secures the gearbox from the side, and the long screws secure it from the bottom. First, tighten 1 short screw from the side. Then tighten the 4 long screws from below. After tightening all screws, insert the multi-head fixture and tighten the fixing screws. Tighten the fixing screws. Finally, install the hopper. And tighten the back screws at the front and back. Installation complete.